What is up YouTube, this is Jolo2TV, back with more for you to see, and today we actually got some Yeezy news, so let's go ahead and roll that intro. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it with the one that stands out the most to me, which is gonna be the Yeezy 350 V2 in the glow colorway. Now, I don't really know what the technical name is for this actual colorway, but I think it's super dope, and they're doing exactly what I wanted them to do, and that is stand out. Finally make a Yeezy that's gonna stand out, that color's gonna pop, and it's gonna make people turn their heads like what Yeezys were made for. So with this one, they actually are gonna have a super bright yellowish green color, and I think it's super dope, and it's very similar from the pictures. It really does look like the semi-frozen yellows, and there's nothing wrong with that. It does kind of suck that it is similar to the semi-frozen yellow colorway just because it's such a similar color, but maybe when it's in person, which is always the case with Yeezys, it may be a different color in person versus what you see online. So I'm really looking forward to those, and the fact that we're gonna get that glow in the dark sole is just super dope. And it's not like you're ever gonna see it when you're wearing it, because I don't really know a situation where I've had an outfit and it was like stupid dark, but you know, maybe I'm wrong on that one. But what I'm looking forward to is actually displaying it in like one of these clear cases, and then when I shut the lights off in my room, it'll be glowing in the dark, and I think that that's gonna be super dope. So I really look forward to those sneakers, especially for the glow feature, and I really wish they kind of implemented that on Yeezys in previous models. Maybe they're just now getting it, you know, perfected. Maybe there was an issue with the 750s, which is probably the reason why they stopped them. I have no clue, but this one in particular I'm looking forward to because they're doing exactly what I asked for, which is stand out and have that color that's gonna pop and make it seem like it is a Yeezy and not just some plain old white, brown, you know. Yeah, I'm very happy about that. Alright, so the next sneaker that we're actually going to be talking about is the Yeezy 700 V2 in the Vanta colorway. I just kind of did a Spanish accent, you know. Now this one in particular I think is the one. This is the Yeezy 700 that I think I'm actually gonna purchase and stick with it. And the reason why I say that is just because it's simple. You know, the thing that I love about these Yeezys and the things that I complain about is that the simplicity is too much there. So when they usually do like these browns, these different versions of whites, I'm not a fan because I don't usually wear light colors. I really like to wear dark colors. So when they make these super dark colors like black, or they make the super crazy colors like that glow color I was talking about, it really gets my attention, and I really love what they're doing with it. Now this Vanta colorway is really dope because it's that triple black vibe, and there's no way you can mess up an outfit with having all black on, so they can definitely match with almost anything, and I am looking forward to those. Check out the review I did on the Yeezy 700 V2 in the Geo colorway. That one didn't really do it for me because I wasn't a fan of the brown, but now that they have it in all black, triple black colorway, I am looking forward to picking these up, and I actually think I will keep those if I can get a hold of them. Next up, now these are for the OGs. These are the people that were with Adidas since 2016 that was really rocking with the hype and the wave that they were on with the 350 V1s, and that is the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Turtle Dove colorway. Now April Fools just came around, and Yeezy Mafia actually pranked us saying that this was actually gonna be something that was coming out soon. As you look at the picture, you know, this is a dope colorway and a dope concept, and I really wish they would take this on and revamp the old colors that they used to have and put those patterns onto the new versions of them that they now have. When it comes to these Turtle Doves, I really think they're dope, but out of all the colorways that they had on the V1s and the 350s, has to be the Pirate Black. Now that we're talking about that Pirate Black, let's go ahead and introduce the next sneaker. Right here we have the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Pirate Black colorway. Now this is not the technical name, but to me that's what I'm gonna consider it to be, because the postings that they did today actually for those sneakers were that they had this pirate ship, and then they had like one of those, what is it, like a telescope, one of those things, you know, and then you can see out the landscape, or like the telescope, we'll call it a telescope. Now in this case they actually did all those postings with pirate ships and stuff like that, so I feel like they're implementing that these are going to be like a Pirate Black colorway, and I actually am looking forward to these, of course coming in at a retail of $220. But anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share, and let me know which one you're going to be picking up. Jolo2TV out.